Sri Raghavendra Anma. This bird you are watching in the video belongs to Ireland. Dear friends, birds are the best indicator of our environment. Save the birds, save the environment. We should think about the survival of the birds. Birds are the best friend of human society. We must give shelter to them, water and grains to eat them. It will be a great job in favor of humanity and environment. Protect the birds, make their nest, give them water and grains to survive. Birds live closer to us and they are our neighbor. They are our good wisher, well wisher. So we must have to think about the survival of the birds. If the birds are present in this world, we are safe and